I wanted to share with you UbeCube. I wanted to share these with you because I think that these are going to be so useful and they're kind of a game changer in the organizing world right now. Some of the features that I love about the UbeCube. For one, they are collapsible, but when they are not collapsed, they're also extremely strong. You can sit on these. They sell seats, so you can bring them for game day or something. They have a lifetime warranty, but my favorite feature is how adjustable and customizable they are. The first feature that I love is that these are interlocking. So they nest right inside of each other. As you can see, once you put it on, they don't shift off. I also love that you can lock them in whatever direction and configuration you want. In addition to being able to put the crates as many as you want in whatever configuration you want, from a closet to a garage to a tiny little tower that can hold an amazing amount of stuff, you can also move it around in whatever direction you want and it'll still lock in. The door will open in whatever direction you choose. So you can see I have some doors open down. I can do doors that open one side or the other side. It's completely up to you. The standard cube comes with the mesh front. You can get accessories for these. So that's another feature that I love, is the fact that you can customize the storage within these cubes. Check out the video link in the description or the link near this video and see what else UbeCube has to offer.